Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be doing a review on an air fryer that I was sent by the company Elechomes. It's a 6.3 quart air fryer. This air fryer uses rapid 360 air circulation technology to cook without oil for quick, crispy, delicious food with 75% fewer calories than deep fryers. With user-friendly one-touch control panel and an intuitive, safe, and aesthetic design, the Elechomes air fryer is a great assistant in your kitchen. So I'm going to be showing you some of the features that it has. I'm going to try out a couple of recipes and show you how this works. And so far, I am really enjoying using this. I have another air fryer, but it's the air fryer oven, and I really like the ease of this one. You can just put fries in there, shake up the basket, and I just love it. And on top of it, it's healthier, so you're eliminating calories and oils. So I hope you'll stick around and check out some of the things I made and wait around to the end. I'm going to have a discount code if you're interested in purchasing one. Hey y'all, I'm gonna make my first thing in my new air fryer that I was sent. I have some just Ore-Ida golden crinkle cut french fries. So we're gonna learn together on how to use this. This is really cool. It already has these little stickers on it, which I'll peel off later, but for now I'm just gonna do them like this. We're going to open this up, and inside of here, to remove the basket, there's a little button. I want to show y'all, there's a little button here that you push to remove the basket, and I'm going to show you down inside of it how it has the little fan. But what I'm going to do to start out, I'm going to get some of these french fries and put in here. And this is my first time ever using an air fryer with a basket. I'm going to flip you around and show you. Over here I have my Power air fryer oven, which I'm actually using right now to make some chicken fries. So I wanted to try this out. I figured for the first time, making french fries would probably be one of the easiest things. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour fries in here. So I got my fries in here. So now, go ahead. Oops, go ahead and put that in there. And I'm gonna press french fries. Okay, so I pressed the french fry button, I pressed start, and it is starting. It will cook it. Default is 400 degrees. It says the default time is 25 minutes, and the screen will display 5 minutes and 13 minutes. The appliance will sound beeps to remind you to shake your fries. So I guess when it beeps, I pull it out and shake it. And so anyways, that's what we're gonna do. And Courtney's over here. So we're trying this out, and I'm planning to make some other things in here, but I thought we would start out today with something easy like french fries. I don't know if you hear it, but it's doing a little beep, and that's when I'm supposed to take it out and shake it. So we're gonna, oh, there went one on the floor. Now we'll put it back in, and I think it just starts right back up on its own. Alrighty, so now we'll continue on. It should go off again at 5 minutes till to shake it. Ooh, y'all, maybe I should have cooked them last time, or maybe it didn't tell me to shake them. Like it said it was going to say at 5 minutes, but it didn't. But look, these are pretty brown, so let's hope they're good.
They look good.
We're going to put them on a plate and season them up and be ready to eat. Okay, y'all, the next thing I'm going to make is these Anytime Tizers, I think is what it's called. By Tyson, it's the chicken fries. We love these. So I just put them in a single layer in the bottom of the basket, and then I'm going to just put those in and cook them basically according to the directions on the back, just like what it says in the oven. Okay, so I set those for 400 degrees, and then I set my timer on 12 minutes, and I was trying to figure out how to get the little reminder to work, and I did find out what you do is you hold the start button, and then it's going to blink, and then you type in to 6 minutes, and then press start, and then it will remind you halfway through. So I had to stop it on my own because I found this out afterwards, but it's pretty easy. I just had to read the book. And these turned out perfect. I was so happy with how they crisped up, I guess is the word. But yeah, they were crispy but not burnt. They tasted really good. Hey y'all, we're gonna make some French toast sticks in the air fryer. So the recipe I found was for 12 pieces of toast, but I am not going to make that many to begin with. I'm going to just start with 6. We're just going to half this recipe. And first thing I'm going to do is we're going to cut this toast. I hope my knife will do good. And I'm using the Texas toast. So, and then I have a bowl right here. It may be too big of a bowl, but okay. I'm going to put a half a cup of milk. And then we're going to do probably 3 eggs. It called, if you do the whole thing, which is 1 cup of milk, it called for 5 eggs, but it's kind of hard to split that, so I'll do 3. We're just going to whisk it. Now I'm going to take about a little less than 1/4 of a cup of sugar and a tablespoon of cinnamon. Mix that together. We're going to dip the bread into the mixture here. I'm just going to set it over here. And I'm going to take the ones I already have and we're going to sprinkle, well, I'm going to sprinkle it better than I did on that first one. We're going to sprinkle the first side of the toast. And I'm going to start layering these first ones into my basket of my air fryer. Set those in there. And this air fryer is so easy to use, so turning it on, and we're going to set this to 350, and we want to set it for 8 minutes, and then all we have to do is press start, and that's it. And while that is cooking, I will go ahead and just prepare these other pieces. Okay, y'all, they just went off, so we're going to check them. Oh, yeah. Good. I'm going to take them out. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of these in here. Turn it back on to 350. Let's see. Boom. It starts counting down from 30. Now it's counting the last 5. It's done. And by the way, these stickers I just have not peeled off. These are actually stickers that are on the front of this that just peel off.
Oh.
And then even on the top, I have not peeled any of the stickers off. So anyways, this is a really nice, when you press that start button, of course it has everything lights up for you. And you have your temperature, your time, and then it does have some presets for like French fries, chicken, fish, beef. This is for shrimp, and this one over here I believe is for baking. Oh yeah, and there's another sticker down here that hasn't been taken off either. But it's very sleek. Also, to go along with the air fryer, I was sent an accessory kit. And so I'm going to open this up and show you what all it comes with. So, it comes with, it has a cupcake pan, a cake barrel, a pizza pan, silicone mat. It has a steel skewer rack, a steel metal holder. It says maximize your cooking surface with the metal holder. A bread shelf, which is designed for sliced bread placed on the shelf and baked in a hot air circulation. Oh, that's cool. Kitchen tongs and a dish plate clip. This is great for taking very hot dish plates or bowls from the air fryer. So, here are the tongs, the dish plate clip or whatever they are, tongs. And so, oh, okay, I see. You just open it up like that and I guess use that. Here are just the regular just kitchen tongs. I like these. They have the silicone on the bottom. And, yep. And here are the this one is the one for the bread shelf. Very neat. Here is the steel metal holder, I believe. Wait. And then this one is the steel skewer rack. Here are the skewers right here, y'all. They're still on here. I haven't took them off. And then this is your rack. Here is the, okay, this would be the cake pan. No, pizza pan. This is what they call this one. They call this one the pizza pan. Here is the cake barrel. That's really cool. Look, it has a little handle to get it out. And here's a silicone cupcake pan. And then also a silicone mat that you can, I like this. This is really cool. So that you can, when you take your stuff out, your cake pans and whatever, it will sit right on here. And so that is a really nice little accessory kit that you can purchase to go along with this Elechomes air fryer. Thank y'all so much for watching today's video. And I just wanted to let you know that if you're interested in purchasing this air fryer, you can save 40% between August 15th and August 22nd using the claim code AG61BF40. I will have everything linked down in the description box below. Thank y'all for watching.